Alright, out of work for the day. Thank goodness for that. Out of work to go do more work. But first I'm going to go to one of my favourite places to get some bits and pieces to help me with that. Now in Australia it's illegal to use your phone, or as our American friends might call the cell phone, while driving. But I don't know if it's illegal to use a camera. I'm riding a gauntlet. Oh, what a badass. Not. Oh yeah, boy. Oh yeah. All the bends. All the steel. Bends, bends, whoop whoop! Let's get him in the car. Find all the rubbish in here. Wrestle them. More bends, more tube, more. Bit of straight. Cool. Oh yeah, buddy! Make yourself baffles are welded in, because in this particular case he's got teardrop ends, so they can't be pulled in and out. This is going to go there, something like that, with the teardrop 2-inch end, and it's going to look sick, I'm telling you. Header pipe 1 done. Now on to header part 2. 2 and get her done. Get her done. So it's gonna look something like that. As close to the customer's request as possible. And I'll tell you what, it's gonna look fucking mint. Ooh, am I allowed to say that? I don't know. I don't care. Header tube, done. That should look pretty dang good. So, oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. One thing I've found with oxygen placement in these Sportster exhaust systems is that they're actually really difficult to place nicely, because they just weren't built for fuel injection originally, these engines. So I guess that's just all part of the fun, ain't it? We'll get them. standards, pretty good. Not bad. Time to wrap them up. They're gonna look sick. Finished result. They look pretty sick. Well, I think they're gonna be stoked with it, so. Hell yeah, brother. Now, yeah, it's getting late here. Finally got a job done, but I think it's time to go to bed. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll try and get some more content out there. Stuff that you want to see. It's happening. Slowly.